Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to change server in Genshin Impact without losing your data. So to actually switch, it's pretty simple, but here note that when you're switching servers, you are not able to import your data from a certain server to another server because it's not totally possible at all, even with other games, because in games basically your games or your data in the games is stored in a certain server in Asia, and it cannot just be transferred instantly to another actual server in Europe because that will cause discrepancies in the game itself and it won't function at all. So basically you can only switch servers and start off new, but when you switch back to your own server you will still have your data. So that's something to note. So here when you go to Genshin Impact, you'll just have to launch the game, and then basically just here, as you can see, so basically right here first. So when you start the game, you will see your own actual server right here, and then select another server like Asia or something with better ping, and then from there just press confirm. If you're using PS, just press O. If you're using your desktops, PCs, just press confirm using your mousepad. And there you go guys, that is how you change servers in Genshin Impact without losing data. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.